Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern for you. This pattern you can knit on gents sweater, ladies cardigan, ladies sweater, kids sweater. This pattern is very easy to knit. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 4 stitches and add 3 extra stitches. For tutorial, cast on 12 plus 3, 15 stitches, row 1 right side, attach second color yarn, with second color knit 3, skip 1 like this purlwise, knit 3, skip 1, knit 3, skip 1, in the end knit 3, row 2 wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl 2, skip 1 stitch, skip stitch, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3 stitches in the end. Row 3 right side, with first color yarn, knit all the stitches. Knit skip stitches also. Row 4 wrong side, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit all the stitches. Purl edge stitch. Right side, knit with second color yarn, knit 3, skip 1, knit 3, skip 1, knit 3, skip 1, and then knit 3 stitches. Wrong side, knit as row 2, skip edge stitch, purl 2, skip 1 stitch, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, in the end purl 3 stitches. Right side, knitters row 3 with first color yarn, knit all the stitches. Wrong side, skip a stitch, yarn in back, knitters row 4, knit all the stitches. Purl stitch. This is 4 rows repeat pattern. Repeat these 4 rows again and again. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.